Again, my name is Bruno Tideman. Today I'd like to introduce you our new improved RBB 900. Come have a look. In this case we fitted a single OX 300 diesel outboard. This is the DL6 version, that's the latest of their models. You can also do twin Yamaha 150s or 200s if you really need the speed. Here you can see a new designed engine well that has a battery compartment, seating area and also a very robust towing bollard. On top of the fuel tank hatch, which is accessible, we mounted 6 Shark Ultra seats for comfort and safety. And if we go to the front, we have the console with a foldable A-frame like we had on our previous vessels. As you can notice, the gunnel is reduced in height, so you have easy access to the water to pick up goods and stuff. And on the foredeck, more storage space, seating area and extremely useful steps to get off board easily. Thank you for your time.